Hello student, welcome to the online tutorial session. Previous day we have learned that hexadecimal to octal fraction conversion and octal fraction to hexadecimal conversion. So today we will learn that converting a number from any base to any other base. Okay, whatever base we have learned, that is binary base, octal base, hexadecimal base, decimal base. Apart from this, if a question comes and it will give you to convert from base 6 to base 8 or base 4 to base 2, like this kind of a conversion. So what was our approach, how we can solve it? So this part today we will learn. So question is given, it is that 532 base 6, okay, we have to convert into base 9. Okay, so first remember that from any base, whatever base is given, first convert into the base 10. Okay, the first thing is that you remember that from base 6 to you will convert to base 10. This is the first step. So first step I am moving on 532 into from base 6 to base 10. So what will be my first thing? That we will multiply 5 into 16 to the power, if you want 0, 1, 2. So 5 into 16 to the power 2 plus 3 into 16 to the power 1 and 2 into 16 to the power, sorry, 16 not, why I'm saying 16, it is 6 to the power 0. So anything to the power 0 means 1, then 2 into 1 is 2, 16 to the power 1 means 6, 6 into 3 means 18, and 16 to the power 2, 16 to the power 2, it means 6 into 6, 36, 36 into 5, 36 into 5 is 180. Okay, so if you add it, then the result we will get, that is 200. It is under base 10. Okay, so now what we will do, from base 10 to base 9 conversion we will do. Okay, so up to this it is clear. Then I am rubbing this one. This part I am rubbing. Hope it is clear to you. Okay. So first step is over, that we have converted base 6 to base 10. So second step says that from the whatever answer we are getting, that is 200 base 10. From base 10 to we will convert into base 9. So from base 10 to base 9 conversion, what is the rule? If you from base 10 to, if you convert it into any other base, then what was the rule? That that particular decimal number we have to divide it by that particular base which we want to convert. Okay, so I want to convert it into 9, base 9. So 200 it is divided by 9. So if you start dividing it, so 9 to the 80. So 20 minus 18, it becomes 2. Again comes 0. Again we are giving 9 to the 20, 18. So again if you minus 20 minus 18, the remainder is 2. Okay. Again I am dividing it by 9. So again we can give 2, 18. So 22 minus 18, the remainder is 4. So again still 0 is not coming. So I am giving 9. So 9 cannot divided by 2 cannot, 2 cannot be divided by 9, so it becomes 0 and 2. Okay, so from bottom to top we will move, that is 242 base 9. So if you try to convert it base 2, so 532 base 6 to base 9, final answer is 2429. Okay. Okay, so hope this sum is clear. Now we are moving to the another sum. Okay, so first step, that we will, whatever base is there, first convert it into the decimal base, and from decimal base to you convert into the final destination base. Okay. Okay, now one more question is given, that base finding value. It is given 255 base 8 plus something base 2 is equals to 135 base 10 plus of 3d base 16. Okay, so first we have to convert 255 a base 8 to base 10. This is clear. I hope it is clear. Anything is given, first convert into base 10. So if you convert, then it will happen 2 into 8 to the power, if you put the values, that is 0, 1, 2. So it becomes 2 into 8 to the power 2, 5 into 8 to the power 1, then 5 into 8 to the power 0. So answer we are getting, that is 64 into 2, that is 128. 5 into 8, that is 40. And anything to the power 0 is 1 means 5. So if we add the whole number, we are getting 173 base 10. Okay. So this part we have done, and now we are again converting, that is in base 16. This part is the base 10, 135 in base 10, thus we have no problem. But this 3D is in base 16. So again we have to convert the base 16 to base 10. So up to this clear, I am rubbing this one. So 3D, this one if you put 0 and 1 value, then we are multiplying 3 into, it is a 0, 1, 2, 3 into 16 to the power 1, and d into 16 to the power 0. 3 into 16 to the power 1, if you calculate, that it means 16 into 3, that is 16 into 16, 1, 48. Okay, d means what? D means 13. 13 into 16 to the power 0. 16 to the power 0 means 1. So 1 into d means only 13. Okay. So if you add these two, so the answer we are getting, that is 61 base 10. Okay. So right now what we can do is, the question is saying, up to this clear. So question is 255 base 8 plus y of something. So question says 255 base 8 plus y of 2 is equals to 135 base 10 plus 3d 16. So I am putting the 10 values. Okay. So 2358 base 8, it means what? 173 base 10 plus y value means we don't know, we will keep the term, and 13, it becomes clumsy. Let me clear this up, and from the this up to this part, I am from the beginning I am writing. It becomes so clumsy. The equation is written. So if we need to get the y2 value, so y of 2 is equals to what? 135 base 10 plus 3d16 minus 255 base 8. Okay. So 135 is so already in base 10, so we don't have any issues. So we will let it be 135 base 10. And 3d base 16 we have converted. 3d base 16, what is the value? That is 61 by 10 minus 255. This equivalent value is 173. All are base 10. Now we can do the addition and subtraction as well. If you add 135 with the 61, so you get 691 base 10 minus 173 base 10. So this is equals to 23 base 10. Now, so y of, again we have to find out, because we want to base 10 we are getting, but we have to find out the value in base 2. So 23 base 10 we have to convert into base 2 value. Okay, so again I am rubbing this one. It's actually a lengthy procedure, nothing, it is an easy one, but it is a lengthy procedure. So 23 base 10 we have to convert into base 2, because y is in base 2. Okay, so what you have to do, divide it by 2, that is 1 1 11 and 1, and again you divide it by 2, 5 of 1, remainder is 1, 2 2s are 4, and then 1, 2 zeros are 0, and oh sorry, 2 2 ones are 1, 2 2 0 and 1. So answer is 1 0 1 1 1. So if you try to get a value of y of base 2, it is equals to 1 0 1 1 1 base 2. This is the final part. I hope the total sum is clear to you. Thank you, student. I'm ending my lecture over here.